Hi everyone, this is Meeta and I've got a great spreadsheet for non-profit organizations that will easily track all your grants. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for this brief demo of the grants tracker. This tracker tracks all your grants for 2023, 24 and 25. If you need to have different years, I can set that up for you. And it includes 500 grants. The first tab in the spreadsheet is the intro tab, and over here you can enter your organization name and your fiscal period if you like. The next tab is the grant settings tab, and over here you would enter all the information related to each grant that you receive. Each grant received should have a unique ID assigned to it. So the name of the grant can be the same, for example, ABC Foundation. Say they gave you a grant for 2023, you can call it ABC 23. Now say the same ABC Foundation gave you a grant for the year 24, you should call it ABC 24. So each grant that you receive should have a unique ID. Next, you can also enter any other relevant information that you need for each of the grants you received. Next, we come to the grants dashboard, and this gives you a bird's eye view of all of your grants. You can see information related to how much was applied for, how much awarded, pending, received, and outstanding for each of the years, as well as for each grant. Next, we come to the input tabs. Each year has its own tab. We are tracking for 23, 24, and 25, and so we have these three tabs over here. You would choose the grant ID from the drop-down list, so there's no need to type it in. Next, you would choose the grant name. Then you would enter the date of the application. Next, you would select the application status, whether approved, rejected, or pending. Then you would enter the amount that you had applied for. In this case, say we applied for 50,000, and that's what we entered, and the amount you got awarded. You can also enter information on the purpose of the grant, any previous application date, and any previous application status, and any notes. All the information that you enter in these input tabs gets shown up in the grant dashboard out here. Let's make an entry in the 2025 grants input tab. Let's select a grant ID. It has to be unique, so let's choose grant 16. The grant name can be the same as a previous grant, so let's select grant name 1. Let's say the date of application is September 9. Let's say the application status is pending, and say we applied for a $120,000 grant. If we go to the dashboard, you will see that for 2025, grant 16 is pending, 120,000 was applied for, and 120,000 is pending. Now say we go back to the 2025 grants tab, and let's say this has been approved and we have been awarded the full 120,000. Going back to the dashboard, you'll see now we applied for 120,000 and we've been awarded 120,000. Come to the payments tab, and over here you would record all the payments you received from your grants. So say grant 1 you received on Jan 30th 25,000 against a grant that you had applied for. Again, you received payments on July 9th and August 8th. So all the payments that you received for each grant should get recorded over here. Say for example, we choose to enter say grant 16, the one that we just applied for. We'll call it grant name 1, and we applied for it on, so let's say that's September 6th. We got $5,000 against that grant. This should be 25. If we go back to the dashboard, you'll see that for grant 16, we got applied for 120,000, we were awarded 120,000, and so far we received 5,000, and a total of 115,000 is outstanding. Next, we come to a very neat feature of the spreadsheet, and this is the ledger, the automatic ledger. Simply choose a grant ID. Say for example we choose grant 16, and all the payments that we have received against grant 16 get shown up automatically. Let's choose grant 1, and once again you see all the information for grant 1. Similar to the grant ID, we also have a grant name ledger, and in this you will choose the grant name. So say grant name 1, you get to see all the transactions against the grant name 1. You see information for any grant IDs against the same name, like grant 14, grant 16, and all the dates of payment and the amount you've received. Just bear in mind that both of these automatic ledgers are only available in the Google Sheets version of the spreadsheet. If you prefer to use Excel, then you can get information related to any grant ID or grant name simply by choosing the filter button over here. Choose say grant 1, and you'll get all the information listed out by the grant ID 1. Then if you want to get information related to a particular grant name, let's say we choose grant 10. Again, you'll see all the information listed by grant name 10. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can also find it at my website moneyusage.com. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.